Well, move to question number 18. So this is a question from histogram. Okay. So before doing this question, I just want to give you a fair idea. If you want to find something from histogram, always remember one thing. The area under histogram gives the frequency or the total number of things. Okay. So here we need to complete the histogram. So if you want to find complete histogram, additionally, we can draw one more column. Okay. So in this column, what I'm going to fill is with the frequency density. So I will write in short form as FD, frequency densities. What is frequency density? That is total frequency divided by class width. So here, what is the frequency density in this case? What is the respective frequency for this 40? What is the class width? 10 minus 0, right? So that is 4. What is this here frequency density? For finding frequency density, the frequency is unknown. Here also frequency is unknown. So here also frequency is unknown, but here it's possible. 30 divided by 60 minus 30, and that is 1, correct? Now, first category is 0 to 10. So what is 0 to 10? We will read this question first, right? The table and histogram give information about the distance traveled in order to get to work by each person working in a large store. So the total number of people, those who are traveling to work in between 0 to 10 kilometer is 40. That is the meaning of first raw data. Well, so respective frequency density for this is 4, right? So we'll see. So here in this histogram, the frequency density, the value is not marked here, but of course the distance traveled is marked on the x-axis. So each block represents 1. So then only we can place 4 here. So this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So what is the meaning of this? It means that this value is 7. This value is after 7, how many grids? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that in between 0 to 1, there are 5 grids, and 5 grids represents 1. Therefore, 1 grid represents 0.2, right? So in that case, this is what it is 7.8. And this is what this is 5.6, because this is 5 and this is 6. So this is 5.6 because 3 divisions means 3 multiplied by 0.2, that is 0.6, right? 0.6 plus 5 is 5.6. Okay, so using this idea, you can find the missing values in this table, because first question they are asking us to complete the table, right? So we'll complete this table first. This frequency, that means 0 to 10 thing, is given as 40, right? So this area definitely is 40. So this is 20. This is 15. 10 to 15, right? So this is 15, and so in between 10 to 15, this frequency density is 7. So 7 multiplied by this difference is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So we can place here it as 35. The difference between 15 to 20, that is also 5. So here 5 multiplied by 7.8 is that 39. So this is 39, and this difference is 10, and this is 5.6 multiplied by 10. That will give us 56. And interestingly, if you are adding all this stuff, what is the final answer? Please check it. So 40 plus 35 plus 39 plus 56 plus 30. So that is going to be, so please take your calculator and then you try to add this. So 40 plus 35 plus 39 plus 56 plus 30. This total is 200. So we completed this. So we completed this part and then they're asking to complete the histogram. So what is the frequency density for 30 to 60? That is 1, right? So through 1, we have to draw a box called histogram. So this is the answer for second part. Now, one of the people working in the store is chosen at random. Work out an estimate for the probability that the distance traveled by this person in order to get work was greater than 25 kilometers. Where is 25 kilometers? So it's halfway between 20 and 30. So we are now in a position to find the total area after 25. Why? Because we need that number, right? We know that this is 30 and this is 5. So 5 multiplied by 5.6. So that will give us 28, correct? That will give us 28. So the total people travel greater than 25 kilometers is 28 plus 30, that is 58. So total people working is equal to 200. Therefore, the probability is favorable outcome divided by possible outcome, correct? So probability of getting people, those who are coming greater than 25 kilometers, that is 58 upon 200. So we can even simplify this. If you want, you can simplify this as well. More simplified answer is also fine. So 58 over 200. So we can write it as 29 by 100. Okay, so that is the answer for the C